Yo guys, I got a big word to talk with every single one of you because I have very good news, and the good news is, guys, I've been doing calculations for the past couple of days, weeks maybe. Guys, just look at what's going on my desk. It's actually pretty crazy. And I'm talking to you guys on the community as well, but I came to some conclusions which I'm going to share with you in today's video. And one conclusion that I'm going to share with you guys is we just entered the last phase of this bull market, and you gotta be mentally prepared for what is going to come. So what is going to come is we are going to see crazy price action. We are going to see very high numbers on Bitcoin and on altcoins. And we basically have to prepare for that. I see a lot of people saying Bitcoin right now starts to break out, it's going to go up. Many people online talking about it. This is a bear market rally. This is not a drill, guys. This is not a bear market rally. We have been talking about this rally already for months right now. Once Bitcoin breaks out, we are going to go. Maybe we get some turbulence along the way. Yes, that is possible. But we just broke out from a resistance in the last year or the last 6 months from the bull market. And I can tell you already right now, guys, I'm expecting Bitcoin to be at these levels by the end of July. Over 130,000 US dollars. I'm also expecting XRP to go to these levels. 11 US dollars above 10 US dollars. It is all coming. It is programmed. It is written in the stars. The effect, which is the price action going to these crazy levels, the cause of that effect has already been planted in 2022. So it is an unstoppable event. But be careful that you are not being too cautious right now, because you're still a little bit in this bearish mode, because we have been correcting for quite a while, especially altcoins. They are at the edge of shining. This is not the moment to capitulate, guys. This is not the moment to exit the markets, capitulate and say like, yeah, well, I don't think crypto is going to be something. This is really not the moment. You don't want to fade what is going to come in the next coming months, because we've been already pulled to the complete lows of the capitulation, and that elastic, that band, that rubber band that is being pulled is now being let go. It is time for everything to go up. We are going to see insane rallies. We are going to see Bitcoin going to 130,000 US dollars. I personally believe by the end of July, beginning of August, we are going to see a Bitcoin price higher than 30,000 US dollars. I believe Litecoin is going to go to 700 US dollars. XRP is going to go above 10 US dollars in the next coming months. It will happen very fast. Don't fade these moves. Don't be too cautious right now. Expect big numbers, but a very big but. In the next coming months, your confidence in crypto will skyrocket. You will feel so comfortable in your crypto holdings because you are now going to see for months everything going up. So there will come a moment in the future, you and me both, I've been there many times, where you will not have any faith in the US dollars or any fiat currency anymore. And that's okay. That's okay, but also not really, because that is exactly the moment you'll need to sell, because you're becoming overconfident. That is when we are reaching the last phase of the bull market. This is where we are seeing overconfidence among investors. And if you hate fiat, then just go into precious metals or something if you want to protect your assets, because this bull market will also come to an end sooner or later, and we are going to enter a bear market. I already calculated the bear market targets that I'm going to expect in Bitcoin in 2026 or 2027, but I'm definitely more leaning to 2026. And so I'm anticipating all these moves already, and you should do too. you should definitely do too. Don't be too conservative right now. Expect big numbers because we just jumped into the roller coaster, and the guy behind the panel control, he just pressed the start button. So right now we're really taking off, guys. It's really happening. I'm super excited because I cannot come to a different conclusion when I make all these calculations. We're going to take off right now. It's happening right now, and it will just accelerate in the next coming months. But in the next coming months, when we are seeing those high numbers, become a little bit conservative again. Protect your assets, because the times that are coming afterwards are going to be very hard times. And if you are not prepared for that, it is going to be very, very difficult. So I want to help every single one of you to prepare for that as well. But don't be too scared right now, because right now I'm just going to expect big numbers. Big numbers are coming, guys, and it's all programmed. It's all written in the stars. The effect that the price is going to do this, that cause has already been planted in 2022. No one can stop this process. It is a rhythmic thing that's happening in the universe, and enjoy the next 4 to 6 months. But also make sure you are having a plan for after that, because that's going to be very important. Do something good with your money, like we always talk about. Join the community. There's a link down below in the description, guys. You can meet with other people. You can talk about what you want to do. We can talk about trading as well. Also, be active in October 2025. When we are seeing these crazy targets, for example, XRP at $10 US, don't be that person that then says yes, XRP going to $1,000 US. It might go, but not this year. You get what I'm saying? So when the bear market starts, guys, everyone is screaming for higher targets, because that's the dominant emotional state in the markets. The same that a lot of people right now don't believe in this rally. Why do they not believe in this rally? Because they have been conditioned for 2 months or longer that the prices are going to come down. Their whole emotional state, they cannot help it. We're not here to blame or judge it, but this is how the markets work. It will pull your emotional state down until you think when Bitcoin just corrected from 107 to, let's say, 95, you only think about longing because we just had these rallies all the time. But the price continues to go down all the time for months, until you get to a point where you are shorting at support, where you are thinking to short at support. Well, then you already have to think something is going a little bit wrong right here. I think I'm a little bit stuck in the emotional side of the markets. So we got to be a little bit careful for that. We got to be a little bit cautious for that. But right now, and this is my personal opinion, guys, not financial advice, the guy on the panel at the roller coaster attraction, he just pressed the green button. He just pressed that green button, and he just told you, enjoy the ride. That's what he said. Enjoy the ride. So the next months are going to be insane. I'm going to try to stay grounded. Although I know the sentiment is going to become crazy and numbers are going to go crazy, I'm going to stay grounded, and I'm going to stick to the plan that I made in a normal emotional state before I'm going to be overconfident late in this market. Guys, remind me of what I'm saying right here. Remind me in the community in the next coming months, or by the end of this year, October 2025. Because when is more important than where. Time is more important than price. Time is the rhythmic pattern that we are seeing across the universe. That's why time is more important than price. Guys, thank you all for watching this video. Join the community, link down below. You can meet other people. You can talk about what I just said here as well. Drop a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you are new. And of course, I hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.